Did you know that NASA has sent a helicopter to Mars? Ingenuity is the first aircraft to ever fly on another planet, showing that it is indeed possible to fly on distant worlds such as Mars. Let's check it out. This is the Perseverance rover. Perseverance landed on Mars on February 18, 2021 and is studying the Jezero crater, a place where scientists believe once contained a lake and a river on Mars. This is important because lakes and rivers are great at preserving carbon-based organic compounds, which are important building blocks of life. Perseverance will collect rock and soil samples to find any evidence of ancient life on Mars. And this is the Ingenuity helicopter. It has successfully overcome the challenge of flying in Mars's extremely thin atmosphere, which is about 1% of Earth's atmosphere. It has completed 66 flights since its first flight on April 19, 2021, and has completed 118 flying minutes, covering 14.9 kilometers and reaching altitudes of 24 meters. Now I will show you how to make your very own Mars helicopter. For this, you will need 1 large marshmallow, 4 small marshmallows, 5 toothpicks, and these cutouts of 2 rotor blades and a solar panel. You can find these templates in the handouts linked to this video, or you can make your own by cutting out pieces of cardstock paper. Now we will start with this large marshmallow. This large marshmallow represents Ingenuity's fuselage. Ingenuity is quite small, only about 19 inches tall and weighing only around 4 pounds. Thus, this fuselage is only about the size of a softball on the real thing. The fuselage contains batteries, sensors, and cameras to power and control Ingenuity's flight. It also has heaters on it to protect the equipment, as the Martian environment can get as cold as -130 degrees Celsius at night. Now take 4 of the 5 toothpicks and stick them into the marshmallow so they come out at an angle like so. These toothpicks represents Ingenuity's hollow carbon fiber legs. And these legs are designed to be very light, so it's easier to take to Mars. And on the trip to Mars, these legs can fold up to save space. Now that you have your legs, take 1 of the small marshmallows and stick them on each of the toothpick. These small marshmallow represents Ingenuity's rounded legs, which help it stand firmly even on uneven surfaces on the Martian terrain. This is what your helicopter should look like as of now. If it has trouble standing up, try sticking the toothpicks deeper into the large marshmallow or putting them up at a higher angle to help it stay more stable. Now with your cutout rotor blades and solar panel, poke a hole through the middle of each part with a sharp object. You may need an adult to help you with this. Now take your last toothpick and poke it through the hole you made on one of your rotor blades. On Ingenuity, each rotor blade is about 4 feet long and rotates very fast, around 2,800 revolutions per minute. The rotor blades need to be this large and this fast in order to create enough lift, which is the force that allows helicopter to fly, especially in the Martian air where the atmosphere is very thin. Ingenuity actually has 2 rotor blades in order to create this much lift. So take your second rotor blade and also poke the toothpick through the hole. And adjust the blades so that they're shaped in an X, like so. The final parts of Ingenuity are the solar panel and the antenna. The solar panel converts the sun's energy into electricity in order to charge the batteries. And the antenna allows Ingenuity to communicate with the Mars rover Perseverance as well as NASA scientists back here on Earth. So take your solar panel and stick the toothpick through the hole you made earlier. Finally, take the toothpick, rotor blades, and solar panel and stick them on top of this large marshmallow. And you're done! Now you can have your very own Mars helicopter back here on Earth. Ingenuity is paving the way for future space research and missions by studying areas on Mars' surface where ground-based rovers cannot reach. Perseverance and Ingenuity really are bringing us one step closer to standing on the Martian surface.